Hello everyone, it is a gorgeous morning here in Bengaluru and this is the trophy we are playing for. Dileep Trophy, named after Dileep Singhji, Indian international cricketer representing England. 50 average in test cricket, 58 in first class cricket, and at the center of excellence in Bangalore. What a facility this is. It's the final, South Zone versus Central Zone. And we are all set for day one. It is a 5-day gig. South Zone versus Central Zone in the final of the Dileep Trophy. One of the biggest games in the BCCI senior men's domestic calendar. Greetings from the center of excellence. That's exactly where we are. And this is an outstanding facility. As we roll on to the toss, with me, three very important gentlemen. The two captains over here, Mohammad Azharuddin leading South Zone, leading Central Zone is Rajat Patidar, and our match referee, the former Hyderabad opener, Daniel Manohar. Azhar, please spin the coin.
Heads.
Heads is the call. Heads it is. Rajat, what are you going to do and why?
We're going to ball first. It's very simple. That there's a 4 overcast conditions and it's looking a fresh wicket, a good grass cover on it. So yeah, we're going to ball first.
Ball one of the Dileep Trophy final. Yeah, Chetan Sharma loves that length, loves the fact that it doesn't let him leave the ball.
रन जाएंगे सीधे बल्ले के साथ मिड ऑफ से ये 4 रन आते हुए ये पहली बाउंड्री.
Nicely played, beautifully played, driven zone. He's a good player. Just timed it to perfection. No chance for the midfielder.
क्रॉस द लाइन. ये पहला विकेट जो हम तारीफ कर रहे थे कुमार कार्तिकेय की. कमाल की जगह पर गेंदबाजी, खराब शॉट खेला यहाँ पर काले ने. अक्रॉस द लाइन खेलने की कोशिश की और पूरी तरह चूके.
जबरदस्त शॉट, हवा में पुल कर स्वीप करने की कोशिश स्मरण के द्वारा. दूसरी सफलता मिलती हुई कार्तिकेयन की. दूसरा झटका, पर फिर पैडल स्वीप कर दिया. 4 रन.
Where is the sweep ball? Nothing.
आउट हो गया.
So if you sometimes worry, oh! The two batters have bumped into each other while taking the second run. Basics of cricket completely in the bin. That's the last thing they needed. It's tough out there against the bowlers, and now they've bumped into each other and knocked themselves over.
ना सिर्फ कदमों का इस्तेमाल था, उस सही जगह का चयन भी किया.
Oh, what a beauty! What an absolute beauty!
क्योंकि दूसरे छोर पे जो गेंदबाज गेंदबाजी कर रहा है वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन. अंपायर की तरफ एक नजर. जी हाँ, उन्होंने कहा कि बस इतना ही. पहले दिन के पहले स्तर की अगर हम बात करें तो पहले सेशन.
But that's the story of the first session of first day. 33 overs bowled, 4 wickets down, 64 on the board.
कुमार कार्तिकेय कमाल की गेंदबाजी का मुजाहरा किया. कुमार कार्तिकेय की बात करें.
Two reviews there. That's a near thing. That is a near thing. Yes, it took his time. Madan Gopal, he's a good umpire. Now he's asked for a review.
Pitching in line, impact in line. Wickets umpire's call. Original decision is out. Madan, you can stay with your decision of out. You're on screen, Madan. You can signal out. Thank you.
That's nicely played. Beautifully played. That is what you need to go. First positive shot from Salman's bat.
एक शॉट और रन जाएंगे यहाँ पर, वो भी बाउंड्री के रूप में.
This will though. Excellent piece of timing. Little fuller on to the legs and beautifully caressed past that mid-on fielder. Oh! He stepped out and missed one. That was the way he was playing, but I reckon he's just played over this one. We're interested to have another. It's a very smart piece of stumping.
देखने के लिए थी ना, 4 मिलेंगे यहाँ पे बड़ी देर के बाद.
Gone. Is he gone? Yes, he is.
Tossed up delivery, अच्छा बाउंस और हाथ से छिटका जरूर था. और ये कमाल का कैच रजत पाटीदार के द्वारा. कोई मौका नहीं गवा रहे. अच्छा शॉट, अच्छा चौका अंकित के बल्ले से आता हुआ. 51 के बाद 123 पर 7.
Oh, given. I thought it was going down the leg side. Review taken.
Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets, umpire's call. Original decision is out. You're on screen, you can signal out, Mohit.
Excellent decision. Just clipping. How good are these umpires?
रन आएंगे बिल्कुल सीधा और सबसे सेफ शॉट.
Oh, they both are feeling so much better. Suddenly they become best of friends.
फ्लाइटेड डिलीवरी आ गए, मजबूर किया फ्लाइट करने ड्राइव करने के लिए और एक आसान सा कैच सारांश जैन के हाथ में. चौथा विकेट लेने में कामयाबी सारांश जैन की.
Big appeal and he's given. He goes for the review straight up. He's reviewing it.
Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting. Original decision is out. Madan, you can stay with your decision of out. I'll tell you when you're on screen. You're on screen, you can give out.
बहुत ही बेहतरीन अंपायरिंग मदन गोपाल की आज रही है.
To be fair, it's been fabulous stuff from both the spinners. 9 out of 10 wickets. The other being a run out.
20 रन बनाकर आउट हुए अंकित शर्मा.
Summary of the day so far. In the first session, 4 wickets fell. In the second session, 6 wickets fell. So the bowlers dominating the day. As you can have a look at the run rates. In the first session, just under 2. In the second session, just under 3 runs per over.
Well, now the real work starts because the bowlers have done the job. They're cooling their heels. They've got their foot in the ice bath. What about the batters now?
क्या इस विकेट से तेज गेंदबाज साउथ जोन के तेज गेंदबाज वो मदद ले पाते हैं जो सेंट्रल जोन के तेज गेंदबाज नहीं ले पाते.
And that'll go to the boundary. Played with soft hands, didn't quite. Oh, beautiful. Rank half volley. Half volley doesn't give you 4 runs.
Oh, बेहतरीन शॉट. जूसी हाफ वॉली. ऐसी हाफ वॉली चाहकर भी आप उसको मिस नहीं कर रहे.
4 runs. Tried the short ball on him and he's beautifully dispatched that.
Oh, beautifully clipped off the pads. This will get to the fence. Excellent timing as well.
हवा में जरूर था लेकिन तभी कहा जाता ना जब आप स्लैश करें तो थोड़ा जोर से करें.
50 बिना किसी नुकसान के. दिक्कत थोड़ी सी लाइट के लिए भी है. अंपायर साहब ने लाइट मीटर निकाला है, चेक करेंगे. फिलहाल कॉल्ड ऑफ हो गया है खेल. आज के लिए खेल यहीं पर कॉल्ड ऑफ कर दिया गया है.
Look at that. Just the 10 wickets in the first 2 sessions. And look at the run rate. No runs were scored. Yep. It's been a tough day. Central Zone won the toss, asked South Zone to bat first. 149 is all they mustered. Saransh 5 for, Karthike 4. And in reply, Central Zone 50 for no loss. Danish 28 not out. Watker 20 not out. Looking solid as ever. Trailed by 99 runs with 10 wickets in hand.